Cavalier assistant coach David Layla says they were careless in their 2-1 defeat to Tivoli Gardens in the Ray & Nephew Jamaica Premier League at the Stadium East Field on Sunday. Spencer Darlington reports.
There were hardly anything to shout about between Cavalier and the Tivoli Gardens, and neither gave each other's goalkeeper much to do. However, the game sprung into life on the 82nd minute mark when Kishane Gordon was at the right place to benefit from a spill by the Tivoli Gardens custodian Nathaniel Francis to put Cavalier in the lead. The lead lasted for only 2 minutes as Nicalia Fuller, who is fast becoming a household name, pulled Tivoli level with this beauty. And just when it seemed as if it would stay that way, Dane Ewan handed the title holders their 7th loss of the season as he made it 2-1 in stoppage time. The two are now tied on 26 points, but Cavalier have 2 games in hand and a better goal difference.
We rose above expectation today, and the first half it was pretty much an evenly contested game, but when you analyze the game as you go along, you see where it started to wear and tear the Cavaliers' defensive unit.
Cavaliers assistant coach David Layla said they were careless in settling down after taking the lead.
I'm hoping that the players will learn even more than me right now in regards to the score goal. You don't need to celebrate so long, just go back and set because the referee will start at any given time. So I hope that they learn that, and also to just keep them composure. The game is not over until the final whistle is blown.
In the opening game, Molynes United were pegged back by Spanish Town Police, who were picking up their first point under new management. The two ended 1-1. It seemed as if poor goalkeeping was the order of the day, as that's how Molynes United took the lead through Marlon Pennycook in the 12th minute. But on 45 minutes came a bolt from the blue. Devontae Ricketts took the applause as he salvaged a point for Spanish Town Police. Molynes got a chance to make it 2-1, but goalkeeper Glenroy Samuel made amends for his earlier blunder. Molynes are now 7 points away from the relegation zone, while Spanish Town Police remain rooted at the foot of the table on 9 points.
We're not at our best today, and it's really unfortunate because points like these you want to get, and games like these you want to get maximum, and we just did not. I thought did enough today to take all 3 points.
Definitely need the wins to stay afloat. So that's the work in progress. We've been working hard. As a result, we get a point today. We think going forward we can get points, and 3 points will help us to stay in this competition.
The league continues on Wednesday with Mount Pleasant FA looking to bounce back from their 1-0 loss to Waterhouse when they host Arnett Gardens at Drax Hall. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.